As a boy, my father used to tell me, there's no height I cannot achieve, only if I set my mind on it. He said that the only barrier between me and my goals is myself. I'm a professional driver and I'm determined to make a living out of it. Therefore, I sought out ways to reach out to my clients ever since my friends introduced me to Pickmeup. It has always been a wonderful experience. With Pickmeup, I can now triple my daily income and make my family very happy. You too can achieve your greatest height with Pickmeup.
Drive safe. Any destination, anytime.